to thank the parents who gave so generously to the fund for the immunosuppression trial. The doctors have told us that this experiment contributed greatly to the understanding of ALD. Betty and Tom Knowles, $250 in memory of Corey. Dr. and Mrs. Leibowitz, $500 in memory of Joel. Mr. and Mrs. Higgins, $1,000 in memory of Adrian and Julie. 26 people have sent in recipes for the newsletter. Now, we still need ideas for snack foods and breakfast treats. Now remember, all recipes should be low-fat and use only the foods allowed on the Institute diet.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Our son has complied with this diet, and yet his levels of saturated C24 and C26 have risen for 2 months in a row.
That's exactly what's happened to Jaybird.
Well, perhaps before we talk about publishing cookbooks, we should ask ourselves if the diet is working at all. Shouldn't we?
Damn right we should.
This is not the way we do things here.
But, excuse me, there are 2 families here with these parent dogs. Maybe there are more.
Shouldn't we open it for discussion?
My boy's levels are rising.
Well, now there are three families. So maybe we should, could we have a show of hands?
Yes.
And maybe we'll see how many families there are.
You don't understand. This is a formal pilot study. It has to run the full 6 months. We're not scientists. We don't take it on ourselves to interpret experiments. That's the solemn responsibility of the doctors.
Come on, Eller, let's at least have a show of hands.
No, that would be misleading. Now, the medical folks call this kind of evidence anecdotal.
What's wrong with the show of hands?
It wouldn't have any meaning.
Excuse me, may I say something?
The only way that the doctors can get useful results is with a strict protocol and statistical samples in a control group.
And a proper time frame. Doctors have to be very careful. And clinical trials must withstand a tremendous amount of scrutiny.
This is the way that medical science works. That's the only way the scientists can get the information that they need.
So what you're saying is that our children are in the service of medical science. How very foolish of me. I always assumed that medical science was in the service of the sufferers.
Yes, thank you.